A truck of mass 12 tons is travelling at 25 meters per second when it brakes heavily and comes to rest. Then the braking force is 20 kilonewtons. Calculate the magnitude of the deceleration. So, okay, let's write some facts down. My mass is 12 tons. Now, tons is 1,000, so to convert that into kilograms, you times it by 1,000, so that will be 12,000 kilograms. Now, my V initial was initially 25 meters per second, and my V final is rest, so 0 meters per second. And the force, that braking force, was 20 kilonewtons. Kilo is 10 to the power of 3, so this is how we write it, and we want to figure out the A. Alright, well obviously F equals ma is the equation we will be using, and we obviously have to find A, so I'm going to rearrange that first. So 20 times 3 newtons, I'm not going to write the newtons, equals mass, which is 12,000, times A. So if you rearrange that, my A is simply going to be 20 times 10 to the power of 3 divided by 12,000, which is 1.67 meters per second squared. Alright, that's it. Right now I've got to figure out the time taken for the truck to stop. So basically time is what I'm trying to find. All the facts are pretty much the same. So let's give it a go. So obviously this is going to be using the equations of motions. So I'm probably going to use, I've got most facts except for S, so I'm going to use the one without the S. There we go. And sub those values in. V is 0, my V naught is 25, my A is, we found that out, it's 1.67. And 1.67. T is what we're trying to find, so my T, if I rearrange that, it'll be negative 25 over 1.67. Oh, what am I missing? I'm missing a negative here, because technically it was a deceleration, so I need that negative. Alright, so that turned into a positive, so 25 divided by 1.67 is going to be 14.97 seconds. Alright, distance required to stop the truck, so obviously that S is what I'm trying to find. I've got every fact, so I'm just going to use simply the equations of motion that has S equals this one. Alright, I'm going to sub those values in. V naught is 25, my time is 14.97, plus half, remember it's a deceleration, so I'm going to write negative 1.67, and then times squared. Alright, so if I just chuck that in the calculator, get about 187 meters. That is it for that question.